Yeah, look at, yeah, this seems shed. Like it's shed drop in the two man. Well, all this is the main road, Georgetown, Mount Bentek really. Everybody know this man on the road down here, whole time. Bad boy, what is seen by? Huh? You blogging? Oh, okay.
Me don't move fire. Me don't move fire.
I know you don't move.
I don't move.
Well, me just roll out still now. So no scene still, me roll out now. Me just kind of lock up and thing. Then me roll out. Yeah. Yeah, man. You got yard still, lock up the scene. Yo, Vaz. Cause the virgin say no blow again, there. So now I'll go back a yard and dash out. I'm gonna try clean up the place, but boy, too much work. Man alone can't do the work, eh? What you saying, bad man? Everything good? Okay. You there, sir? Respect, man. Yeah, the general said blow again, no, man. Yeah, like me say right now. Look at my building. It's properly dirty up, no rasta. Right. Properly dirty up and thing, no, man. Look at the road. Bad boy. You go down the road right now, man, so you don't know how things are already. Look at the wall. Look at all. What's the depth? Rabuka. It start to get heavy. Look at my wall, them. Yeah. Look. How it dirty, watch. All these are Rabuka stick down there. Rabuka. No, I mean back here. But I clear up some to the boy, me alone can't deal with this energy.